Namaskar children. Today we are starting with the chapter Cell Structure and Functions. This chapter is useful for class 8 as well as class 9. By the end of this chapter, students will be able to understand different types of cell organelles and structure, recall the unicellular and multicellular structure, learn about the functions of cell organelles, observe different type of cells, that is prokaryotic and eukaryotic, draw diagrams based on the chapter, and apply the acquired knowledge in higher classes and real life. Cell was first of all discovered by Robert Hooke in year 1665. Robert Hooke in 1665 observed honeycomb-like structure in cork, which is present in bark of tree, under his crude microscope. So each unit which was present in this honeycomb-like structure, he named those units as cell. Now how can we define a cell? Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. So we can compare a cell present in any organism with the brick from which a building is made up of. There are different varieties of cells based on cell size, cell shape. Now, cell size and shape is related to its function. For example, the neuron or nerve cell has long and thin extensions that help it to pass chemical and electrical messages quickly through the body. Organisms are divided into unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms on the basis of number of cells present in their body. Unicellular organisms composed of only one cell, while multicellular organisms are made up of more than one cell. Now, in unicellular organism, a single cell carries out all the necessary life processes. But in multicellular organism, different cells perform different functions. So we can say that division of labor in unicellular organism is at organelle level because only single cell is present, and different organelles which are present in cell perform different functions. For example, bacteria, amoeba, paramecium and yeast. Similarly, in multicellular organism, division of labor is at cellular, tissue, organ and organ system level, means work is divided among different organs or organ system. For example, humans, animals, plants, birds and insects. Which is the largest and smallest cell? The smallest cell varies from 0.1 to 0.5 micrometer and is found in bacteria. On the other hand, the largest cell measures 170 millimeter into 130 millimeter and is the egg of an ostrich. Now, how can we observe plant cell or animal cell? We can observe plant cell or animal cell with the help of slide, right? So we can prepare slide. So how can we prepare slide? Now, first of all, place the specimen on a slide. Then add few drops of staining solution to the slide. For example, for plant cells, generally we use safranin solution, and for animal cell, we use methylene blue. Then cover the specimen with a cover slip and then add water at the ends of cover slip. Now these images shows what kind of structure we observe when we observe an onion peel under microscope or a human cheek cell under the microscope. Now this is the basic structure of an animal cell. In an animal cell, in the center of the cell, you can see a nucleus is present. Inside the nucleus, a nucleolus is present. This nucleus is covered by nuclear envelope where nuclear pores are also present. Now outside the nucleus, folds of nuclear membrane are there which are known as endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum are of two types, smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. So rough endoplasmic reticulum consists of ribosomes on their surface, while smooth endoplasmic reticulum, no ribosomes are present on their surface. Another cell organelle which is present inside this cell is mitochondria. So mitochondria is known as powerhouse of the cell because it helps in cellular respiration, which ultimately produces energy. Now Golgi apparatus is there, so which help in transportation and secretion of certain materials. Lysosome. Lysosome is known as suicidal bag. So this lysosome consists of many different types of enzyme which help in cleaning of the cell. Outermost layer in animal cell is known as plasma membrane. Granular structures are also present which are known as ribosomes. So these ribosomes are also known as protein factory because they help in synthesis of proteins. Now this is the structure of a plant cell. Plant cell is very much similar to animal cell, but what differences are there? Like plant cell consists of a large central vacuole which stores some different substances, and chloroplast is also present. So chloroplast contain chlorophyll, green pigment chlorophyll, which help in photosynthesis process. Along with this, outermost layer of plant cell is cell wall. So cell wall provide rigidity to the plant cell. So these are some different structures which are present in plant cell only. In this table, functions of different cell organelles are shown. Like nucleus. Nucleus is control center of the cell, so it control activity of all the other cell organelles present in the cell. Chromosome carries genetic information. Ribosomes help in protein synthesis. Mitochondria produces energy, and this is the reason it is known as powerhouse of the cell. Golgi bodies help in packaging and transport of materials. Lysosomes break down old cell parts. Endoplasmic reticulum help in lipid and protein synthesis. What are the differences in plant cell and animal cell? In plant cell, cell wall is present, while in animal cell, cell wall is absent. Plastids are present in plant cell, while plastids are absent in animal cell. Large central vacuole is also present in plant cell while absent in animal cell. What do you mean by prokaryotes? Prokaryotes do not have a well-defined nucleus, and membrane-bound cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi bodies are absent. Some examples of prokaryotic cell are bacteria and blue-green algae. Eukaryotes have a well-defined nucleus with nuclear membrane. Membrane-bound cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi bodies are present in eukaryotes. So examples of eukaryotes are plant cell, animal cell, fungi. These are all eukaryotic cell. Now these are the structures of a prokaryotic cell like bacteria and eukaryotic cell like plant cell and animal cell.